So today's video we're doing a full walkthrough of the Ibis Hotel here in Jeddah. So here we are outside the hotel. We're going to go inside and check everything out. Just outside the hotel is a barbershop, but let's go inside and see what this hotel has to offer. So here we are walking into the lobby and reception area. The check-in desks are on the right, just here. As you can see, it's a very large and spacious area here. They even have kind of like a traditional seating area in the corner, which is quite interesting. I've not seen that before in a hotel, so that's really cool. In the corner there is like a small cafe where you can get hot drinks, cold drinks. They do like pastries and certain desserts, sandwiches, that kind of thing. So you have that there too in the corner. This is the cafe. And yeah, there's also like a mezzanine floor, I think that's what they call it, where you can kind of overlook this area. But yeah, I stayed in room 313, so here is the room I stayed in. It's a fairly compact room. I did find my stay to be quite comfortable here. The room itself has everything that you need. Over here there is a telephone. There are UK sockets there, so you don't need any kind of adapter if you're from the UK. There's a full-length mirror. The TV is by Philips, so it's a decent quality TV. And then over here there is a desk. We have a small mini fridge at the bottom. Over here there is a kettle, there's a tissue box, there are some mugs and the usual teas and coffees, and they've also provided some complimentary water too. So here we have some green tea, I think there is also just regular black tea, English breakfast tea. There's like a small bench here on the right. This is like a list of rules for the hotel. And instead of like a wardrobe, there's this small area which has a curtain to cover it, but there's a safe here. They've provided a prayer mat and there's some hangers there for you to hang your clothes. We have a plug socket here with USB sockets, so you can just plug your USB directly in there. And this is the desk that you can do some work on potentially. Outside, there isn't really much to look at. This hotel is kind of in a random location. So yeah, this is the view from outside the room, and let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. So there is quite a large shower here. This is the shower gel and shampoo that they have provided in a dispenser. This area is also quite compact. To be fair, Ibis is a 3-star hotel, so I think this is quite reasonable. Considering the price I paid, it was quite cheap. So I think considering the low price of the hotel, I think this is quite decent. It's everything that you need. And yeah, so now we're going to look at the restaurant that the hotel has. They do breakfast and dinner. So here is the restaurant. It's called Town Restaurant. So I stayed here during Ramadan, so this is what was available for Sehri, which is the food that you eat in the early hours of the morning. So this is everything that was available. There is also an Italian restaurant called Trattoria, but it was closed during my stay here, so there is also that option there too if you wanted like an a la carte option. So kind of like on the other side of the building, there is like a Shisha cafe called After 11 Lounge. So from here you can get hot and cold drinks, you can get Shisha, and there's like an outdoor terrace too, where there's a pretty nice view of Jeddah. So you can come here if you'd like to, it's on the other side of the building. And there is also a hotel gym. So here we are in the gym. I didn't want to record too much here because it was quite busy, so I just tried to get a few clips so you have an idea of what the gym looks like. And I managed to get a video of the prayer room, which you can see here. And the hotel also has quite a decent pool and outdoor area which you are allowed to use. So here is the pool area. So for a 3-star Ibis hotel, considering it's got a pool, I think that's quite decent. So that's everything for today's video. If you have any questions about this hotel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you very much for watching.